How to make pecel. Ingredients. First, boil the vegetables. Second, put the boiled vegetable in the serving dish. Third, fry the peanuts until it's golden brown. Fourth, strain the peanuts and put it in a mortar. Grind it until the peanuts become sandy. Fifth, fry all the spice. Sixth, strain all the fried spices. Grind them together with the peanuts until they become properly mixed. 7. Put a quarter teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of tamarind juice, a quarter kilogram of grated palm sugar. Grind and mix well until it becomes a paste. After that, put some in a bowl and add a little bit of hot water and mix it well. When it's done, put the sauce in the serving dish. And don't forget, the best way to eat pecel is to add Javanese cracker called peyek. Have fun making, everyone!